In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Ionos email in just 5 minutes. Backing up emails is essential. It's like keeping a spare key or having an extra tire. You hope you never need it, but if you do, you'll be glad it's there. I'll walk you through each step so you can safely keep a copy of your important emails. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Ionos website. You can type the URL directly or search for Ionos and click the official link. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner and click on it to access your account. On the Sign In page, enter your email address or domain associated with your account and click Next. Then enter your password carefully and click Next again to log in to your dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the Email section. The interface is user-friendly, so it should be easy to find. Once you're there, open your inbox where all your emails are listed. Now, go through your inbox and select the emails you want to back up by checking the boxes next to them. You can choose to back up all emails or just the important ones. After selecting them, look for the three-dot menu icon at the top of the page and click on it to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, choose Save as File. This will prepare a downloadable file containing the selected emails. A download dialog box will appear, asking you where you want to save the file on your computer. It's a good idea to create a dedicated folder for your email backups to keep things organized. Once you choose the location, the download will begin. The time it takes depends on how many emails you selected, but it's usually quick, especially for smaller backups. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Ionos emails. Keeping backups is very important in case of accidental deletion or unexpected data loss. To stay protected, consider making backups regularly, weekly, monthly, or based on how often you receive important emails. That's how you can easily back up your Ionos emails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.